1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Because I am incapable of filming a whole video, like I'm filming a week in my life right now, but I know it's gonna take me forever to edit it. We're gonna do a cook with me video because I want to post and I want to edit, but like everything that I film literally is like 20 hours of footage. Like, why do I do that to myself? So to dip my toe in, I'm going to just make breakfast with y'all. But the thing is, I made breakfast enough for 5 yesterday morning. So I don't know what I want to make. I'll just show y'all what I'm gonna eat, kind of. First things first, Alani new. I'm obsessed, and normally I would be having one at this time anyways. So this is also gonna be a catch-up video. Because I have not posted in so long. My dogs are mad. The trash people are here. Okay, so normally I would have workouts at 5. And I would take pre-workout. Let me show you what pre-workout I take. So, I have 2 types of pre-workout and I switch in between them. I have bucked up, which is really good. And then I have Alani pre-workout, which is the first one I've ever taken. And then this is Island Crush. This is my second one though. So I wanted to switch them in and out to keep me on edge. And then I have creatine. So that's what I normally take in the morning. I think we're just gonna like reheat up some tacos and make some tortillas. So this is what I have. I have it's just eggs and sausage. That's really all it is. But we're gonna warm it up and then we have to warm up some tortillas. Yeah. Look at me. Wow, a YouTuber. Not very good, but my mom got this little pig thing. I hate it. But of course I have to use it. Boom. Look at that. I love how this is like such a simple thing that I'm doing, but I want to vlog and put up content so bad that I'm like, watch me. Let's talk. Okay, tortilla. Y'all, I'm like in a good mood today. Yesterday, mentally, was so bad. So bad. I think I had a total of like 4 mental breakdowns. I cried a lot. Yeah. It was a hard day. Hard day in the neighborhood. I don't have pants on. Literally, I don't have a bra on either. Ready? Okay, I've been wanting to make these so bad. They're literally probably disgusting. It's blueberry mix. We got them from Ross. Sugar-free, sweetened with monk fruit. I've been wanting to make those for so freaking long. I think I'm gonna do it today. I'm feeling good. It's all right. Cheers. Ready? Fuck, why is it like stuck, bro? I did it. Tutorial. I feel like this video is, I'm not even trying to be quirky. I'm just a quirky girl. But I'm just like chilling. And I feel like it's gonna be like cringy. I feel like that was dumb. Fun fact, I only like refried beans. This one's wow. Okay, first step, always gotta put your bean on there. Looks like someone shit on my fucking tortilla. Next. Of course, you have to do it on the next one. Next, you're gonna take your very nutritious, one-of-a-kind egg and sausage. I'm using my hands because I do what I want. But obviously if like you're feeding more than one person, probably want to use like a spoon or something. I don't know. I don't feed more than one person. That's why I always have leftovers. I feel like there's more sausage than there is egg. 100%. Next, I need to stop snacking. This is what they should look like right now. You get your Mexican blend. Wait, this is kind of like me. Wow. But like a good amount. And then if you want, you can put it in the, if you want, you can put it in the microwave and have it melt a little bit. Delicious. I think I'm gonna do that. It did a little something, a little close up. Not really, but it's fine. Take your hot sauce of choice. When did this turn into a freaking tutorial? Okay, let's taste test. We're gonna go with our crunchy one first. Crunchy breakfast taco. That sounds so gross. Let's see. That's actually good. The sausage is a little dry. Anyways, come back next time to watch me make these blueberry muffins. Sugar-free, keto, 3 net carbs, sweetened with monk fruit. Why am I out of breath? I'm actually hot in this jacket. I'm gonna take it off, but my babies would be showing, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Thanks for watching. Wow. I'm gonna go edit this right now and upload it today. If it is not uploaded on April 13th, comment down below and say, you're done. You're done. Do that. Even if that's like really out of date, like I said to do it. So like if you want to, you can do it. Anyways, but thank you guys for watching. I love you and I will see you next time. Mwah. And I'm not back. Because every time I say I'm back, I don't come back. So I'm not back, okay? I'm just uploading a video. One step at a time, okay? Bye. Forehead kiss. Mwah.